if someone walked into my office and they were a little bit Michael Scott, they were a little bit David Brent, and they kept saying management jargon, management speak, which everyone knows David Brent hates, I would not really get along too well with them because I would see straight through it. But so many podcasters do this. What is this all about? So today I'm going to talk about why you need to be specific about your podcasting goals. This, of course, is the Podcast Accelerator. I'm your host, Mark Asquith, CEO and co-founder of Rebel Base Media, where we make podcasting technology. We run a number of podcasting teams that build fantastic products, including Captivate.fm, the world's only growth-oriented podcast host. Go and get 7 days totally free on us. Go and try a podcast host that really cares about your audience growth at Captivate.fm. And if you need a hand with that, or you got any questions, come along to our free coaching. Every week we coach podcasters for free over at rebelbasemedia.io/free coaching. That is free, 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern, every single Friday. And last up, before I get into the content, go and check out AWeber. They help me with my email marketing. They help me to generate revenue through all of my businesses, and they can do the very, very same for you because they're a team just like us that really cares about your growth. Go and check it out at markasquith.com/AWeber. Now, I don't know why. I do not know why, but the wording, quote unquote, take it to the next level seems to be a goal that many podcasters have. What does that even mean? What does take it to the next level mean? Let's dig into why the heck, if you are like that, if you are saying that, why you're underperforming, because you will be underperforming. If that's your goal in podcasting, is to quote unquote take it to the next level, what's going to happen there? It's just nothing will happen because it doesn't mean anything. It's like sitting in front of a employer and they're giving you all the kind of management speak and it's all rubbish, or someone coming in for a job interview and telling you that they really enjoy taking the baton and running with it and really they love blue sky thinking. Like, you're not getting the job on that. That's ridiculous. All right, so why do we do this as podcasters? Well, first up, it sounds cool, doesn't it? Sounds really cool. It's one of those things you say to the bros. Yeah, I'm going to take it to the next level. No, get in the sea. All right, get in the sea, take that to the next level, keep on paddling, all right? Because it means absolutely nothing. And what I want you to understand with this is that when people try to help you, when, you might bump into someone at a conference that is, really bloody good at what they do. You might bump into Lou Mongello from WDW Radio, Walt Disney World Radio. One of the best podcasters on the planet. Hundreds and hundreds of episodes under his belt. And if he comes up to you and he says, well, tell me how I can help you in your show, and you say, well, I want to take it to the next level, all you're going to get is generic advice back. Because what else can Lou do? So you have to change your framing. You have to change your mindset. You have to say, and you can't even say things like, I just want to grow my audience. You can't say that. Here's how you would answer that question. So someone comes up to you at a conference that you admire, that you really like working with, and you'd love to get a bit of advice from, and they say, what can I help you with? What do you want to do with your podcast? Instead of saying, well, bro, I want to take it to the next level. No, that's not smart. Start saying things really specifically. As an example, thanks for asking. That's really, really cool. Do you know, I only spend about 4 hours per week on this, and I record one episode per week, and I'm at about 1,000 downloads per episode, and my goal is to get it to 1,500 downloads per episode within 6 months. The problem is I've only got about $400 per month to spend on it, and I can't really afford to recruit anyone. What would you suggest? How specific is that? You're taking it to the next level by virtue of not being a plonker. All right? You're not being a bro that's bumping shoulders and like chest bumping each other. Like, forget all that rubbish, all right? Be specific. Be specific. There's so many business networking events that I go to where you'll see some entrepreneur, and this is in massive air quotes, some entrepreneur that's like, yeah, I'm just going through the process of upping my game. What does that mean? What does that mean? I have no idea what that means. Leave me, please, whatever. And it's not impressing anyone. So why do I say this? It's not just to have a rant and that it's a little bit funny, which it is. It's more to say that, look, the world is full of advice and it's full of people that are willing to help. The podcasting space has an abundance of people willing to help you. So why would you waste the opportunity on saying things really generically? Why would you waste? That's like me going to the doctor and saying, oh, doc, yeah, I just don't feel well. Well, can you be more specific? No. Oh, all right. Well, there's not much I can do then. You know, you wouldn't do it. So why would you wouldn't pay someone to do that? You wouldn't pay for a coach and then say generic things. So the reason I'm saying this, like I said, is not to kind of be flippant, not to be facetious, but it's actually to help you to understand that you have to have a really clear understanding of what you need to do right now to grow your show. And I get it, all right? You know, all joking aside, I do know what you're saying when you say take it to the next level. You want everything to get better. You want more of everything, all right? I know you're not talking about taking your audio, usually not talking about taking your audio quality to the next level, because that's probably all right. I know what you're asking, but it's not good enough, all right? You have to understand your responsibility, just like the last episode where I talked about you as a business owner. Your responsibility as a podcast owner, as a creator, is to understand right now what you need today to help you to achieve a specific goal. That's your responsibility. You do that, and the person that you're asking for help from will be able to give you that help, whether that's me, whether that's the team here, whether that's someone at a conference, someone on Twitter or LinkedIn or Facebook, whoever it is, they will be able to give you more specific, more tangible, more measurable, and more actionable advice. You will get more bang for your veritable buck. All right? So that's your responsibility. You know, no one else can do that for you. If you want to do proper work, if you want to really achieve something, your responsibility is to understand what you need right now and be really specific about it and be able to articulate that quickly. Okay? If you can't do that, or if you can't be bothered to spend the time doing that, you can't say that it's not going how you want it to go. All right? You can't have your cake and eat it. I don't really understand that saying, because if you have cake, surely you want to eat it. If anyone wants to explain that to me, please do let me know, because I have got no idea. At Mr. Asquith on Twitter, let me know the origins of that saying, because that freaks me out every time. Well, that's the rant over for the day anyway. It's something that I see so much of, not just in podcasting, but in everything. In everything. Business, life, sports, you name it. That phrase is there. I want to take it to the next level. Don't be that person. We're better than this, all right? Let's get specific. So thanks for joining me. Do check out the free coaching. If you want to come and join us this week, it's rebelbasemedia.io/free coaching. And that's at 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Pacific every single Friday. So I'll see you there. And please never forget, the more you expect from yourself, the more you will excel. Adios.